My name is Victor, I am French and I am a young researcher in computational neuroscience and artificial intelligence. Computational neuroscience studies how the brain is processing information. Artificial intelligence is about finding algorithms that simulate human intelligence with a machine. My research aims to improve artificial intelligence algorithms by taking inspiration from the brain. This is what we call bioinspiration. More specifically, I am looking to develop pattern recognition algorithms that can automatically recognize complex shapes in an image. Most of the existing algorithms cannot recognize shapes if they appear in a new environment. This problem comes mainly from their way of learning. They learn by mimicry. This is called supervised learning because it's a bit like the algorithm was watching to a supervisor and trying to reproduce what he shows him. Conversely, the brain is able to recognize a shape already seen before, even if it appears in another color from a different point of view or with a different size. The brain is capable of such a performance because it's learning in an unsupervised way. That is to say that using only its own experience, the brain will build a model of the shape to recognize that will retain only the basic criteria to recognize this shape. Let's imagine, for example, that we want to describe the concept of face. In such a task, the size of the face, the color of the eyes or the color of the hair has no interest to generalize the concept of face. These criteria simply allow describing a particular face. On the other hand, if I tell you that a face is an oval shape with two eyes located just above a central nose and a mouth under the nose, then you will be able to find a face in any situation. To create my unsupervised algorithm, I am using a neuroscience theory called the predictive coding. This theory suggests that the brain is constantly comparing the reality with its own model of the reality. The brain will gradually change its internal model of the world to coincide best with the observation. In our face example, if the brain thinks that all faces have glasses, there will be a huge difference with observation when it will see a face without glasses. To reduce this mismatch, the brain will update its model of the face to give less importance to glasses and to focus on more general criteria. Predictive coding allows the brain to rapidly generalize form in a changing environment. This learning mechanism is particularly useful when we want to embed pattern recognition algorithms in drones. In general, it's interesting to take inspiration from nature when it comes to robotics. Actually, this is the way I started doing research. At that time, I was trying to adapt a tiny computer mouse sensors to a drone, and I was inspired by the fly navigation strategy to stabilize my drone using this minimalist sensor. Bon, attends,
très pédagogique, on sentait que
je suis une star et je sais même pas quoi. C'est encore mieux quoi.